So I'm in a really big rush, so today's dissection is going to be really fast because no one is here to record for me. But my objective is to take off its furry little skin suit to expose his meaty, fleshy little body, and then I'm going to take his head off, and then I'm going to throw it in the crock pot. Alright, wish me luck. I have 1 hour to skin the entire thing and take off its head. I'm so fucked. I only have 15 minutes left and all I managed to do was take off his face. Selfie! Yeah, that's what your tongue is like. Ah! Stuck in my glove. Earlier, there was this weird clicking bubble noise and I got so scared because I thought the raccoon was coming back to life to shame me for doing this to its body. Alright, show's over. Alright, let's get cooking. First, fill your pot with water. And then you submerge your meat in water. Alright, change of plans. We're gonna try a new technique. We are going to leave the skull exposed, and then the flies are gonna come, lay eggs, and then the maggots are going to eat the flesh off of the skull, and then hopefully leave a clean skeleton in a couple months. Got my own soundtrack board over here. Got a good rig going on here. Holes for the flies, and then hopefully a cat isn't gonna come and drag off the head.